I'm at the Micro Center in Radnor, Pennsylvania, checking out the tech. I'm here to buy a camera for the YouTube channel. Okay, I just bought my new camera. Wow, on sale at the Micro Center. I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo Kit, and that comes with the mic and also a battery backup, and also so right. About to unbox the Pocket 3. Okay, we have here the protective case. We have the protective cover here. Looks like I have a QR invitation to the app. Little quick start guide. And this looks like Chinese. Pretty neat sticker. This is the user manual. And here we have the unit itself. Looks like it's inside the bag. There she is. And I see the mic is in here. Battery backup. Very nice. And the charging cable here. One of these silica gel packs. This looks like the fluff for the mic, which is right here. Wow, right? Very nice. This is the miniature tripod. Here we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, my new camera. And here is a, looks like a battery, 2 batteries. Right. Okay, here we go. Got the DJI Osmo hooked in. Pretty neat. So I'm going to try to do the flip here. Nice.